Today, I am preparing avocado and kelewele salad with prawns. Prep by slicing carrots and chopping the Persian cucumber. Cut open the avocado and peel, slice and cut into cubes. Drench in lemon juice and store in fridge. Chop the lettuce and put in a salad spinner to remove excess water. Cut tomatoes into nice chunks. Now peel the plantain and cut into pieces. Put into a blender some chili, ginger, onions, anise, and grain of celery. Add some oil and blend. Pour mixture into the plantain, add salt and mix. Now deep fry till it's ready. Collect into a tissue paper and blot excess oil away. Season the prawns with salt, onion flakes, white pepper, and mixed herbs. Put butter into a hot pan and add the shrimps and cook. For the salad dressing, pour some vinegar into a jar, add garlic, chopped coriander, olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Cover and shake. Put lettuce into a salad bowl, add the avocado and vegetables. Now add kelewele and top with the dressing. Mix well and serve.
The rough.